Greetings, cherished viewers. Last week we marveled at the birth of Jesus Christ in Bethlehem and the shepherds who worshipped him. Today we continue our journey through the Nativity story, unveiling the extraordinary visit of the wise men from the East who brought gifts fit for a king. Recall the joyous tale of Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ in a humble manger. Now envision a unique star guiding wise men from distant lands to witness and honor the newborn king. Let's delve into this magical chapter of the Nativity story. As angels delivered the news of Jesus' birth to shepherds, a celestial sign, a shining star, appeared to wise men in a distant land. Recognizing the star as a sign of a new king, they embarked on a journey, carrying precious gifts for the infant. Following the radiant star, the wise men arrived in Bethlehem, where Mary and Joseph cared for the newborn Jesus. Overwhelmed with reverence, they worshipped the child and presented him with three symbolic gifts: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Before we continue, let's connect with you, our wonderful audience. Answer these questions in the comments below. How did the wise men learn about the birth of Jesus Christ? What did they do after learning about the newborn king? What were the gifts the wise men brought to baby Jesus? Did you receive gifts for Christmas? Did you give gifts to anybody? What about gifts to Jesus Christ? Now let's explore the answers together. The wise men learned about Jesus' birth through a unique star that appeared in the sky. They followed the star and, upon reaching Bethlehem, worshipped Jesus, presenting him with the precious gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. What a magnificent tribute to the newborn king. The wise men's journey, guided by a celestial beacon and their heartfelt gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Stay tuned for more wonders from the scriptures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this magical expedition. Until next time, may your life be adorned with the treasures of joy and wisdom.